Have you any questions that you need to know about writing? Well, answers to the following here may help you. I'm Michael Bichel, Australian historical fiction writer, and these are some of the questions that keep getting asked of me and the answers to them. See if these help you. I hope they do, or something like it. Now, one question is, what genre should I choose to write in? My answer to that is, write something about a genre you like, whether it's fantasy or romance or horror or spec fiction or historic, it doesn't matter. For example, if you read romance books and you like them, try romance writing. Next question, should I write short stories or novels? The interesting thing about it is that many famous authors have written both and have succeeded in both. Some people get overawed and maybe a bit frightened with the length to produce an 80,000 word novel, and they think they could never do that. Interestingly, writing a good short story is challenging as well. So don't think that because it's only got 1,500 to 3,000 words that it's easy to write. No, it's got its challenges as well. Different format, different formula. Next question, how do I know if my work is any good? Very common. All writing has value of some sort. Now, it should have value to you because you're its creator. Only someone schooled in reviewing work on a constant basis, like an editor, they should comment on your work because what they'll say will have real constructive value and meaning. Just having a relative say, I enjoyed your book, may not mean anything and may actually give you a false impression of the quality of your work at that time. I stress at that time because by rewriting is how you improve. It works for me. Next question, should I attend a writing group? Now, writing groups are of value. I've belonged to one for 7 years and there are 4 of us. And we're all different and we all write in different genres. And we're all at various stages of our writing journey. But that doesn't stop us from helping each other and commenting purely from a constructive point of view. A common question I get asked is, if my grammar or spelling is poor, should I get help for that or just leave that to the editor? Now, even today, unfortunately, around the Western world, there is less emphasis on the rules of grammar, but there still needs to be some conventions maintained. Now, you need to learn these first or as part of your early writing because the lack of them, look, they'll show out like an elephant in a telephone box when an editor picks up your work. A good question is, I want to get published. How do I do that? That's a good question because with word processors and the simplifying of computers and the internet, everyone can write a story and put it online. Now, what this does is to saturate the internet with millions of stories. Now, that's great if you just want to read all and sundry or pick a story here and there. Writers write for a lot of reasons, and in the past it was an easy journey, relatively, provided your work was sound, well written, well flushed out characters, and suspenseful plot. Then publishers would take note and help you along the way. But with the volume of work that is now on the internet, it's very difficult to get published in a short time after you've started writing. It does happen, of course, and so there's no problem with that. Now, there are 2 truisms that I've found. Writing is a craft and is creative. Publishing is a business and it is cost and profit driven. Remember the difference and it'll help you. They're my common questions. I hope the answers will help you, and thanks for watching and letting me share this with you.